Hi, this macro lecture is an outro to our unit or collection on interactions through fields. As always, you need 3 or more bullet points worth of notes, a 1 to 2 sentence summary, and your follow-up questions on Google Forms. Okay, so the big idea that we looked at was what other types of forces exist and how can they be used to store and transfer or transform energy. And so we looked at magnetic fields, electric fields, and gravitational fields as ways to store energy, and that energy can later on be transferred or transformed into other objects or other types of energy. So we're going to look a little bit further at this idea of storing, transfer, and transform in the future. So we've only kind of basically covered the store part, and then now we're going to look at how it's transferred or transformed in more unique ways than what we've done in the past, so not just into kinetic energy. The unit focus was to look at gravitational, electric, and magnetic fields and how they enable forces to be applied at a distance. We did that with fields. And now we're going to look at how those things can also store energy. Let me turn on the lights there. There we go. And the collection focus was introducing the most common fields and how they are used to store energy, but we did that. So now we're going to look at we know a little bit of the basics about electric and magnetic fields, but now we're going to explore the connection between them a little bit more. Maybe you've heard you can make a magnet with a battery and a coil of wire. So what that means is that electricity and magnetism really are connected in a certain way. And so we're going to look at what is that connection and why are they connected to some degree, or more how than why. That's it. 3 or more bullet points worth of notes, 1 to 2 sentence summary, and your follow-up questions on Google Forms.